Alright guys, I just made some smash burgers and I wanted to make a quick video on how actually I clean the griddle after I'm done cooking on it. So it's been going on high heat for a little while. All I use is some water and some paper towels. You don't use any soap or any detergents or anything like that. It's going to strip away whatever seasoning you have on it. So obviously just water and you know that's pretty much it, and some paper towels. So I'll show you my technique. Hopefully this helps out some folks. First, I take my spatula and scrape off any big chunks of whatever that may be on the grill, and kind of move them towards the rear of the grill. And push it through that grease trap. Now, my grill, I don't know, it kind of warped a little bit. You're going to see it's like a hump in the middle. And then the edges kind of, the grease kind of collects on the edges. So I guess through use and stuff, it did warp a little bit. It's not too bad. It didn't make so many big chunks of, there's not too many big chunks of stuff on it. So, but just, anyway, give it a good scrape down. Push everything down to that rear grease management system, whatever they call it. Okay, now it's relatively clean. Got most of the big chunks out of the way. Again, I don't know if there's many folks on YouTube that have this technique, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. So that's pretty much it. Got the big chunks out of the way. Now we're ready to put some water down. I'm going to put the fire low. Put it on low. I do 3 shots. This is the first shot. I take my paper towel, fold it up like this, put it down, and just give it a little clean. Now, it kind of evaporated very quickly, so that's why I do 3 shots of this. So the paper towel absorbs some of the water, and then I use it like this to kind of just get it all across the griddle. I'll give it a flip, and then do the rest like that. And try to get the corners. Try to get the edges, and that's piece number 1 is pretty much done, and that gets all the main. See how it got picked up most of that black stuff, and that corner there kind of always gets caked up with stuff. So I try to kind of push the paper towel through there and kind of clean that up, and then I take this out, discard that. Get your next piece of paper towel ready. Put the next shot of water down. Just like that. Paper towel goes down again. Give it a little, push everything through. You'll see it steam up. And it's pretty easy. There's not much to cleaning the black, so it's kind of, I really like this aspect of this kind of grill. My other grill, the one that I make kebabs and stuff on, that one's a pain in the neck to clean sometimes. But this is super easy. See that? So that's done. I give it a flip. Do the other side, the clean side now. And it's pretty much clean, guys. I could probably start. I don't need 3rd shot. Unless I try to also wipe up the sides a little bit too. Because sometimes stuff gets picked up on the sides as well. So I just push the towel paper against the side and just rub it like that, just to get that as well. Just like that, push it against the sides, like that. There's still some moisture in the paper towel, so that kind of steams the griddle. We do our 3rd shot. Again, we still have our heat on low. This is our 3rd shot. You're going to see the difference in the paper towel. It's actually going to be practically clean now. It's practically clean. And that's really it. It's super easy. Doesn't take long at all. I'm gonna flip to the other side, flatten it out a little bit, and then just repeat that. And we are ready to go. That's it. Turn the flame off. And then discharge your paper towel. Ready to go. So that's how I clean my Blackstone, guys. Obviously I don't clean the outside as often as I do the, the inside, but that's pretty much how you get a nice clean grill. It's ready to go for the next shot. Again, don't ever use any detergents, any soaps or anything like that. Don't use any sprays or anything. Just simple paper towel and water and you're good to go. All right, thanks guys. If you found this video useful, again, these are some techniques and tips and stuff that maybe you might not find on other channels. If you found this useful, please again, like, comment, subscribe. I'd really like to hear some feedback, maybe some pointers from you guys about how you guys maybe clean your griddles, and I can learn a few things from you guys as well. So please, by all means, let us know what you feel, what you think, and if you learned something, let me know as well. I always like to get positive feedback. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.